Do you know what to do if you have to file a legal claim for an accidental death? Accidental death claims, discussed regularly on our channel, are an important part of our legal system. They provide a means for many families and beneficiaries to seek compensation following the unexpected loss of a loved one due to an accident. The purpose of these claims is twofold. Firstly, they seek to hold the party believed to be responsible for the accident accountable. Secondly, they aim to secure financial compensation as the main legal remedy. These claims are important because they can provide much-needed financial assistance during a tremendously difficult time. Losing a loved one is always hard, but when that loss comes unexpectedly due to an accident, the emotional and financial burden can be overwhelming. It's worth noting that accidental death claims are not about capitalizing on a tragedy. Rather, they are about seeking justice and helping families navigate through a difficult period with a bit of financial ease. Typically, the people who file such claims are those who were financially dependent on the deceased. These can be spouses, children, parents, and sometimes others. In some cases, it could also be someone named as a beneficiary in a will or an insurance policy. However, it's important to understand that filing an accidental death claim is a legal process that requires careful navigation. It's not just about filling out a form and waiting for a check to arrive. It involves proving that the death was indeed accidental and that someone else's negligence or misconduct was the cause. So, now that we've discussed what an accidental death claim is, we can begin discussing the process of filing one. This will include some of the most important steps involved, the potential challenges, and crucial points to remember to increase your chances of a successful claim. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this significant topic. Call us for a completely free consultation, day or night, 7 days a week. 24/7, simply call toll-free 1-800-450-50, that's 1-800-450-50, or see the link in description. Filing a legal claim for accidental death might seem overwhelming, but breaking it down into steps can make it more manageable. So let's walk through this process together. First, we start with gathering evidence related to the accident. This could include police reports, medical records, witness statements, or even photographs of the accident scene. The more information you can gather, the stronger your case will be. Remember, every detail counts. Next, it's time to consult with a legal professional. This is an important step because a lawyer can provide expert advice on how to proceed with your claim. They can help you understand the legal jargon, explain your rights, and guide you on the best course of action based on your unique situation. Once you've gathered your evidence and consulted with a lawyer, the next step is usually making a claim with the insurance company or filing a complaint in court. The complaint is a formal legal document that initiates your lawsuit. It outlines your case, the damages you're seeking, and why you believe the defendant is responsible for the accidental death. Your lawyer will help you draft and file this complaint. After the complaint is filed, the defendant will have a chance to respond. This could potentially lead to negotiations for a settlement. A settlement is an agreement where the defendant pays a sum of money to end the lawsuit before it goes to trial. If a settlement can't be reached, the case will proceed to trial where a judge or jury will determine the outcome. Throughout this process, it's important to remember that patience is key. Legal proceedings can take time. Rushing through steps or making hasty decisions could potentially harm your case. Each step is crucial in ensuring a successful claim, but remember, it's not something you have to do alone. Legal professional can be hired affordably to help you navigate through this journey, providing support and guidance every step of the way. Most law firms work on a contingency basis and only get paid after the client wins. Filing a legal claim for accidental death is a complex process, but there are key points to keep in mind that can guide you along the way. Firstly, time is of the essence. Acting promptly can be the difference between a successful claim and a lost opportunity. There are statute of limitations deadlines. The sooner you start gathering evidence, the better. This could be anything from accident reports and witness statements to medical records and photographs. Remember, the more comprehensive your evidence, the stronger your case will be. Secondly, consultation with a legal professional is very important. A seasoned attorney will speak to you about your specific legal situation, and once the lawyer has accepted your case, he is committed to taking the best course of action and represent your interests in the best possible way. Then, there's patience. Understand that the process of filing a legal claim for accidental death can be lengthy. It's not unusual for these cases to take months, even years to resolve. It might be a marathon and not a sprint, so prepare yourself for the long haul. Lastly, but certainly not least, is emotional support. Dealing with the loss of a loved one is a painful experience. It's okay, even necessary, to seek support during this difficult time. Whether it's from friends, family, or professional counselors, having a support system can help you navigate the emotional toll of the legal process. You can also call us for a completely free consultation day or night, 7 days a week. 24/7, simply call toll-free 1-800-400-5050. That's 1-800-400-5050, or see the link in the description. Remember, the goal of a legal claim for accidental death is to seek justice for your loved one and ensure financial security for those left behind. In summary, remember these 4 key points. Act promptly, gather comprehensive evidence, consult with a legal professional, and be patient. And through all of this, don't neglect your emotional well-being.